Do you love Negronis? Honestly, it is my most favorite cocktail. Have you ever tried a white Negroni though? Keep watching. Welcome back, guys. As I said earlier, I love Negronis, but the white Negroni, believe it or not, I have tried them a few times before, but it's normally when I've been out and tried so many other drinks previously to that I can't remember exactly how it tastes. So I want to make a white Negroni for you. If you're right into the Negronis, check out the link just up here. We've got a few different Negroni variations that we've done that have been extremely popular. I think this was created originally in 2001 by Wayne Collins in the UK. And 3 ingredients, super easy to make. And the first ingredient that I'm going to use is gin. The guys from Haywood gifted me this bottle of Mary Le Bon, or is it Mary Le Bon? Haywood, let me know. It is a London dry gin. It's 50% ABV. I had a taste of it before and it's bloody super delicious. And I thought this is really going to pack that punch and make sure that the juniper comes through and the gin comes through in this white Negroni. Thanks guys from Haywood. If there are any other brands out there and you want me to do some videos just as Haywood have, send me a bottle, hook me up, and I would love to use your amazing products in our videos. 30 mils, 1 ounce, super simple. Next is Suze. This is a Gentian liqueur. The Gentian is grown in the French Alps. Just going to add that bitterness to the cocktail, and it's really sort of replacing the Campari in what would be normally a traditional Negroni, and that color is just like fluorescent yellow. So let's see how white this actually comes out. Last but not least, Lillet Blanc. Every bar should have a bottle of Lillet Blanc. I love it in a Corpse Reviver number blue. Sorry, I was concentrating there. Equal measure, 1 ounce or 30 mils of each. We're going to stir that down. Get a little bit of dilution and chill that cocktail down now. It's crazy how more popular the Negroni gets every year. You know, like it's been one of my favorite cocktails for a long time. It's one of those cocktails that you need to definitely drink a few before you enjoy it. It'll be interesting with the Suze. It is a liqueur, like a bitter style liqueur that I do enjoy. But once again, like Campari, once you've tried it a few times, you get to love it. All right, let me give that a bit of a try on here. It is definitely an acquired taste, the Gentian, in a good way. All right. So I'm going to pour that out over a large block of ice. That's what we do here at the 18th Amendment. Crystal clear ice is the key to it. I wouldn't call it a white Negroni. Looking at it, I would just about call it a bright yellow Negroni. All right, for the garnish, he calls for a grapefruit peel or zest over the top. Let's give this one a try. Yeah, definitely not a white Negroni. That gin is absolutely coming through. Don't worry about that. The Lillet Blanc is really sort of like mellowing it out, balancing. That Suze Gentian is probably the hero. It's probably the most predominant flavor that you get in there, but in a good way. It's got this kind of sort of herbalness, a really earthy root sort of flavor. I know it sounds kind of weird, but I like trying something that's totally different, and Gentian liqueur are just one of those. I think give it time. As people keep trying it, we're going to play around a lot more with it because it's an acquired sort of very different type of flavor. It kind of reminds me a little bit of how mezcal is. You know, you sort of try a mezcal and taste a little bit sort of smoky and earthy and so forth, but you really begin to like it That's a really good drink. I read on the bottle that it's great in a Suze and tonic as well, so need to try that. That is the white yellow Negroni. Give it a bit of a try, guys. It's definitely worth trying. I'm going to drink the whole lot of that because I love it. And like, subscribe, check out this link here for some more Negronis that we've made the videos of, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.